Hi guys. So one of the hardest things about making abstract art is picking a color palette. There are so many options to choose from and it's hard to know where to start. So I'm going to give you 3 easy, no-fail hacks to pick the perfect color palette every time. Before we get started, I just want to make clear we are not going to use a color wheel today. I personally find those very confusing and I can't tell visually how something's going to look together when they're the colors are separated on a wheel. So I find my techniques a little easier to use. So the first hack is to use internet search. There are thousands and thousands of color palettes that are available on the internet, on Pinterest, on a Google search. So for example, if I know that I want to do a painting that is inspired by the desert, I will just do a Google search for desert color palette and there are hundreds to choose from. So I'll pick one of these and then I will pull out the 3 or 4 colors that I think will go best in my painting, and then I will go ahead and mix those colors up. My second tip is to use the internet to search for beautiful photography and draw inspiration from those colors. So in my case, a lot of my work is inspired by nature, and I'm getting ready to take a trip to Arizona soon, so I've been really into desert flora and landscapes, and so I have been looking at this particular picture of a cactus blossom that I hope to recreate using my abstract acrylic pouring techniques. So if you're using beautiful photography as your inspiration for your color paintings, then you really can't go wrong. So my third hack is to use the lookbooks that you would find at the hardware store or the paint store. They have people staffed at these big companies, for these paint companies, to actually do this for a living, to create these beautiful lookbooks and put these colors together. So let's work smarter, not harder. And I often will go to the hardware store and pull some of these books like you see here, and we'll start looking for inspiration for an upcoming color combination. So those are my 3 easy hacks for picking the perfect color palette every time. And if you like this video, please give it a like or a share, and I hope you subscribe if you'd like to see more acrylic pouring tutorials. See you next time.